Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at options you have if you cannot open a particular website in Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. For a more in-depth look at the subject, we will link an article in the description down below. As a precaution, always create a system restore point before making any changes to your system. The first thing you can try is cleaning your cache and try running again. Run the disk cleanup. Delete downloaded program files, temporary internet files. Just clear out your cache. As well, if you have CCleaner, run it, go into your browser, and delete the history. In Chrome, press Ctrl-H, and in the left pane, click on Clear Browsing Data. In Firefox, go to your library, then History, and click on Clear Recent History. In Edge, go to the menu, go to History, and Clear Browsing Data. Malware or some other virus might have infected your system. It is a good idea also to run an anti-malware scan and see if that works. Along those lines, there is a chance that you might have had your host's files hijacked. You can check your host files for that, and the article we linked goes into depth on how to do that. We also did a video recently on how that works, and we will include a link to it. You can add the website in question to the trusted sites. Type in Internet Options, then go to the Security tab. On Trusted Sites, go to Sites. Unclick Require Server Verification for all sites of this zone. Add the site you're after to the zone. Click Add, and click Close. There may be a possibility that the website was added to the restricted sites list. Then, while you're still in security, go to Restricted Sites, click on Sites, and see if the website is listed. If it is, click on it, click Remove, and click Close. While you're in Internet Properties, go to the Security and then reset all zones to the default level. There might be the chance that incorrect date and time settings are causing the problem. Make sure that the date and time is set properly. Then you can check your proxy and DNS settings. Go back to Internet Options. In Connections, go to LAN Settings. Make sure that the Automatically Detect Settings box is checked. Then there is the possibility of just resetting the browser. In Google, go to the menu, go to Settings, scroll down till Advanced, click on it, and at the bottom you'll see Restore Settings to their original defaults. It'll ask you to make sure that you want to do that. If you do, click Reset Settings, and Chrome should reset. In Edge, go to the menu, go to Settings, click on Reset Settings, then restore settings to their default values. A dialog box will pop open. Follow the on-screen commands to reset. In Firefox, go to the menu, then go to Help, go to Troubleshooting, and click on Refresh Firefox. For more helpful fixes on how to get the most from your Windows experiences, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Hey, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content to make your digital universe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.